Go. And Purple Flyers have one goal.
The Lagos State government, through the STEAM Up initiative, led by the Senior Special Assistant to the Governor, Adetola Salau, and the Ministry of Education, in collaboration with the U.S. Consulate, has introduced Nigeria to the world's latest hip sports, drone soccer, in no place than Alimosho, Agege, and Ipaja, home to Lagos State's fastest growing demographics and techpreneurs of the future.
This drone initiative is a part of the STEAM Up Lagos project, which was birthed by the desire for us to make sure that our students are future ready and they're able to compete globally.
We are happy that our districts and our schools and my students are the first set of people to have the benefit of partnering with them, and having contacts with this kind of program is a great privilege indeed, and we are happy about it.
The adroit way the children took to the initiative validated the position of the state government that indeed children are the hope of Nigeria.
It's part of what we are trying to do to show the importance of STEM or STEAM, as we like to call it, because we've added A, which is of course art and design, to show how it relates to everything that we do in on a daily basis. I just hope that they'll soak in the lessons of this program. I hope that they will realize and understand that the future of work is actually STEAM, and so that it will influence whatever they decide to become in future. I hope they'll also enjoy the program, because learning should be fun as well.
From what I've been seeing inside, they are very excited about it. It keeps them engaged, and it's not all about learning things in the book theoretically. This is real-life applications of technology that they can learn from.
We're very happy to bring this activity to the students. Of course, it's not just about flying the drones, but how you use these skills, these technologies to advance, in your education and your careers.
The STEAM Up initiative trained 50 teachers and 500 students in Lagos Education District 1, comprising Agege, Alimosho, and Ifakoijayi local government areas. The students were trained in drone technology, solar panel assembly, weather balloon technology, cell phone repair, artificial intelligence, and coding video games.